Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I just took down my 4 weeks old cornrows and I was honestly shocked by what I saw underneath. This has never happened to my hair before. I will show you step by step how I remove this braid, what I apply to avoid breakage and my excellent results. So stay tuned to the end. To take down this my cornrow to avoid matted hair breakage, I'll be using homemade flaxseed gel. My second product is my right tooth comb for taking down process. These are the only two products I'll be needing to take down this protective hairstyle. So you just need to pay close attention to see how I use these two products to take down this protective hairstyle without breakage, matted hair and easy removing of product buildup. So you'll be learning a lot in this cornrows takedown process today. So stay tuned to the end to understand every bit of the step, and also I will also show you the last results, how much shedding I got so far. So stay tuned, don't skip any bit of this video.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
So this is my real time how I took down my protective hairstyle. No fast forward, no slow down. This is the real time how I took the hair down. So being so gentle with your hair, it will help you a lot in length retention. It will help you a lot to retain those inches you have grown while keeping that hair away. Okay, don't always be in hurry while taking your hair down. Okay, just try to create one day chance to use it and take down your protective hairstyle, and you will see how your hair will transform. You can put your hair in protective hairstyle, carry it for 4 weeks, 8 weeks or 12 weeks. You grow some inches in that protective hairstyle, but when taking down the protective hairstyle, you will not retain those inches that you have grown. because of you are not patient, because of rushing, you are breaking off your hair. You see like your hair is not growing. Your hair is growing, but the problem we are having is length retention. If you can master your takedown process, believe me, you will love wearing protective hairstyle. Protective hairstyle help us a lot in hair growth, while taking down process help us a lot in length retention. You can grow some inches, 2 inches, 3 inches in protective hairstyle, but taking down the process, if you do not master, know the proper way, the perfect way to take down that protective hairstyle, you cannot even retain up to half inches. You will see a lot of hair on the floor because of your impatience. And when taking down your protective hairstyle, don't ever take down your protective hairstyle in a dry stage. And also make sure that your fingernails are so smooth. Okay, there's a lot of things that you need to pay close attention, that you need to put in place before you start taking down your protective hairstyle, that will help you not to yank your hair, that will help you not to break off your hair. Just master takedown process and you see protective hairstyle will be your friend. Okay. Do you see how gentle I am in taking down the front of my hair? because front of our hair matters so much. It have a lot of build up. If you are not gentle, you will break off your hair and you cause you edge loss. So try to be gentle whenever you reach in the front of your hair, for you not to have bar edges or cause breakage on the front of your hair. I know what that means. So being gentle in the general of your hair is very, very important. Okay, just give yourself some hours to take down your protective hairstyle. This protective hairstyle take me up to 6 to 7 hours before I can take the whole of my hair down. Why some people it may take them 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours. Those are the people that don't know how to take down their hair. And after taking you very short hour to take down your protective hairstyle, you will see a lot of hair on the floor, and they will consistent saying their hair is not growing or protective hairstyle is not working for them. You are not gentle. So taking down your protective hairstyle, you need to give yourself a time to take down that protective hairstyle. Dedicate 1 day to take down your protective hairstyle. If your protective hairstyle is so tiny, it can take you 2 days, 3 days. Just be patient. Doesn't mean how many days it took you to take down that protective hairstyle. What matters is length retention. How inches did you retain? How well is your hair after taking down the protective hairstyle? Do you see any visible results? Do your hair improve in length retention? Do your hair improve in thickness? That's what matters, okay? If you can master taking down process, believe me, you will never regret wearing protective hairstyles. And protective hairstyle will be your favorite, because protective hairstyle help us a lot in growing our hair. So at this moment, I'm through taking my hair down. I'm super excited that finally I'm done with this hair. Guys, it's not easy. At this moment, I'm so tired. At this point, I'm super tired. And my hair, guys, my hair got more thicker and I grow more inches. Okay, so do you see the shedding I got in 4 weeks protective hairstyle takedown? Do you see the shedding I got? Unbelievable. This is the only shedding I got in taking down this protective hairstyle. If I'm not gentle, I will lose half of my hair on the floor. But because of how gentle I am, this is the little shedding I got. So let me know if this shedding is too much or not. So guys, I have come to end up today's video. Have you taken down your protective hairstyle this way? What do you do while taking down your protective hairstyle? I want to know in comment section below. Let's chat in comment section below. I hope this video is very helpful. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more great videos like this. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.